Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to ThinkAS channel. Today we are discussing the anthropology question and answers. Our question is write a short note on Doll's rule. DOLL Doll's rule. Doll's rule definition. Louis Doll was a Belgian paleontologist who in 1893 proposed that evolution is irreversible and irrevocable. A structure that changes its form in the course of evolution does not reverse to its earlier form. Explanation. Doll's rule seeks to explain the course of evolution. This rule predicts that evolutionary changes cannot be reverted back because every species is the product of environment and similar kind of environment cannot be replicated. Example: races, species, genera are formed over a period of time through changes in genetic composition. All these alterations cannot be reversed back to their original stock. Throughout Pleistocene, human adapted to changing environmental conditions with changes like lower jaw, detention, dentition, lower jaw, jaw, dentition, erect posture, brain size, etc., which cannot be reversed. Fish lost its gills, which will never come back. If a premolar is lost in course of evolution, then it will never recur again as a premolar in subsequent evolution. But this rule does not mean that re-evolution of a certain character similar to an ancestral form never occurs. Example: certain extinct flying reptiles had wings, but in birds and bats, wings evolved independently. Reason: when the structural changes are responsible for functional specialization, it confines a species to a narrow and restricted environment. There is no possibility of reversion to primitive organization from which it originally derived, because such evolving groups have tendency to be more specialized and acquire more progressive useful variations, which leads to irreversibility of evolution. Thank you very much.